So I just want to get our AdventureWorks template. So I'll import that. Import Power BI template. That's the one here, AdventureWorks. Press OK. So that has the date table over here. Now I want to get some sales data. Get data, SQL Server. One is called Martin 7. Okay, it's an import. It's okay. That's it there. Expand out the database. And the name of the file here is Fact Internet Sales. So click that. And we go into Edit, into Power Query. So I want to change the name of the table just to Sales. Press Return then. So now it's Sales. I have 35 columns and I want to reduce that down to 7 columns. So click Home and choose Columns. So tick that, nothing selected, and I'm just going to select the 7 of them now. Product key, customer key, order quantity, unit price, sales amount, freight, and order date. Click OK. So now there we only have 7 columns. So I want to change the names on these columns. So this one here, press F2, and this becomes product number. So with the right arrow, go to the next column here, F2, and this is customer number. Right arrow. So order quantity. So I'm just putting a space in between order and quantity. Unit price. Sales amount. Freight is freight. Order date. I will change some of the types. This here, the type at the moment on the date is date time. I'm going to change that to date. I have to change another one as well. Order quantity. This one here now is decimal, so I just want to make it whole number. So with that, I'm just going to load in this into Close and Apply into Power BI. So you see now we have the date as before, date table, and now we also have the sales table. Just going to save the file for the moment. Let's call it W2. Save that.